to add a rocking motion in the left hand. Hopefully you watched the other tutorials before you watch this one. So we have our E minor, E, G, B in the right hand, and last video we added a block chord interval on the left hand. The outer shell of the E minor chord is E and B, and we added E and B in the left hand. So this time we're just going to rock it. So here we have our E, and we're holding each measure for 3 counts. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then measure 3 on our lead sheet. Goes down to D, D, F sharp, A, D and A, and we have D and A in the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and then E minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Notice I didn't play the E minor because we again on measure 5 because it's tied. It's a tie hold. And then we go up to G. So our outer, so we have G, B, and D. Our outer shell is G and D. So it's just 1 and 2 and 3 and back to E minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and then A. So our outer A, C sharp, E. If you don't remember, the low note is A, and our right hand is E. A. So 1 and 2 and 3 and then back to E minor. Okay, so let's sing a little bit of that. And I'm, again, not a singer, so hopefully you can sing better at home, just to give you an idea of what this can sound like. So, and I'm just going to hold the right hand out for 3 counts unless there's a tie hold. Then we'll hold it a little bit longer. And remember, the chords are the same unless you see a change. So the first measure is E minor. The second measure is going to be E minor. Okay, so. Time. It's kind of tricky to do it because it's a rhythm thing. You're just going to have to go really slow and kind of count in your head 1 and 2 and 3 and so because your voice is doing something completely different. So it takes quite a lot of brain power and coordination. Don't feel bad if you can't get it right away. I would just go super slow. Let's just do it one time super slow. There's a little squiggly symbol there, and that just means a quarter rest, so we just rest for 1 count there. But we're still going to play our chord, but we won't start singing until beat 2. So we go parsley, we play the chord, and then we go parsley, sage, so we don't sing anything on beat 1. Parsley, sage, rest again, and that's where we come in. Remember, and then to G chord. Me to one who lived there. He once was a true love of mine. And if you don't want to do that rocking motion, because it does take a lot of coordination right now if you're just a beginning piano student, but it could be a challenge for you. Maybe you just want to sing, not play the right hand, and just do the left hand chords like are you going to Scarborough just go the whole song like that, and I think that would really help you, and then put it together, because that's a lot right there. Those of you that have had more piano might be able to do that. Okay, so stay tuned for our next video where we're going to add a little bit more for those that want a little bit more of a challenge from that.